12 easy hikes in Hong Kong, Shan, Kowloon Bay. Did you know that there is a little hill in Kowloon Bay where you can just go and see a spectacular sunset? Don't believe me? Here we go. 12 easy hiking trails in Hong Kong. Tsz Sha Ancient Trail between Sha and Kowloon. So this starts at Sha Way, where you can take these ancient trails to cross the mountains of Kowloon all the way to Sha Pass where the Lion Rock Pavilion is. 12 easy hikes in Hong Kong, Checkerboard Hill. Checkerboard Hill is a red and white checkered hillside hiding in Kowloon Side Park. It's a super easy hike from Lock 4 MTR behind the hilltop park around some fences. I almost don't want to include this because it takes literally 20 minutes to reach, but the view of Kowloon is pretty sweet. 12 easy hikes in Hong Kong, Tai Tan Country Trail. Tai Tan Country Trail is in Sai Kung near Hoi Ha, and it's a coastal route that takes you past some really beautiful beaches and little villages. You end at Hoi Ha, where it has a really pretty pier and is great for snorkeling as well. Want a super easy city center hike? Let's try Red Signal Hill. It is from the exit of Homerton Station, and you can just go up the stairs and then follow the path all the way up this slightly scary hill to a big grass patch and some amazing views. One of the classic Hong Kong easy hike is the Wanche Gap Road. So it starts at the Wanchai City Centre and it takes you very steeply up to the Aberdeen Country Park. From there, you can go to the pretty Aberdeen reservoirs and then end your hike in Aberdeen, where it's really pretty and you can get to see the sampan or ride on them. An easy hike with some culture is the 10,000 Buddha Monastery in Sha. From Sha exit B, head towards Home Square IKEA and then turn left and then turn right towards the end, and you'll go up the ramp towards the main temple area. So on the way up, you see some of the 10,000 Buddha statues that give it its name, but actually there really isn't 10,000, but there is a lot of them. There's an upper floor as well, but currently it's under a bit of construction, but you can see some of the shrines as well as some of the temple area. You might also see some monkeys, and remember your mosquito repellent. One of the easiest city hikes in Hong Kong is Garden Hill in Tsz Sha. It's behind the Gardenberg factory and the entrance is by Mayhill House. It's just a few flight of long stairs up and you can get some sunset views, a cityscape, and a small corner of the sea. So tag a friend to go up there for a sunset stroll. Come with me to an easy hike up Bramer Hill. It is between Clearwater Bay and Poland with a great view of both, and it starts at Pig Oak and it goes up very steeply, so please wear your hiking shoes, and then it goes down on a lot of stairs but it's paved and the whole hike takes about an hour. 12 easy hikes in Hong Kong, the Devil's Peak. It's located in Yau Tong. You can exit from A2 and walk all the way towards the Leisure Moon Estate. From there, go towards the cemetery up this ramp and you'll find the Wilson trail start. So you can just follow the sign that says Devil's Peak to go all the way up. The view is amazing. The peak is at the end of the stairs where the battery ruin is, so there are a few bits and bobs that's in the way, but the view in general is still stunning. 12 easy hikes in Hong Kong, Cape Collinson Battery. So the battery is located in Cape Collinson Peninsula and it's so beautiful. You get off of Taiwan and then you walk up towards the cemetery above and you can walk all the way straight on a concrete road. But the downhill bit is a little bit hilly, but the view is really worth it. Look at this. 12 easy hikes in Hong Kong, the Red Incense Burner Summit. This is also known as the Bramer Hill and is one of the easiest urban trail. You do have to climb over this fence. Don't worry, it's the legal side and it's a very short hike up. This is an alternative view as well if the main peak is too crowded. The peak is right and up some boulders at the junction, and this is to the left and it's more flat.